Well, this came out of nowhere. Cartoon Network is opening a hotel. The hotel is being managed by Palace Entertainment, which is a company that runs and owns several theme parks in the US. The CN Hotel will be located in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. It will be a 9-acre property and be located close to Dutch Wonderland, an amusement park also owned by Palace Entertainment, that I've never heard of. Construction has begun and they plan to open the hotel next summer. The official description on the website gives a few more details about the resort, saying it will be themed around several different shows including Adventure Time, We Bare Bears, Powerpuff Girls, Ben 10, and Summer Camp Island. You can also see references to other shows, such as Clarence, on this concept art. The hotel will have an arcade, play area, coffee lounge, wine bar, 165 guest rooms, an interactive lobby, whatever that means, a water play zone, a pool, and a store. I wonder what kind of stuff they'll sell in that store. They'll also host outdoor activities based on Summer Camp Island, which is a cute idea. I'd assume they'll also do character greets and stuff like that too. The description also says, watch a cartoon before anyone else in the world sees it at the outdoor amphitheater and movie screen. This reminds me a lot of the Nickelodeon Hotel. When I went there as a kid, we got to watch the Really Big Shrimp episode of Drake and Josh on a projector outside before it aired on TV. Though since CN releases things on their app early anyways, does that mean they'll screen things at the hotel even before they're on the app? We'll have to wait and see, I guess. It'll be funny to see hotel leaked episodes. It's interesting that they put so much focus on Adventure Time, even though they pretended that show didn't exist for 2 years. And there's no mention of other popular shows like Steven Universe or Teen Titans Go. Would Teen Titans Go content have to be put in Six Flags since that has DC comic themed rides? I don't know, I guess that doesn't matter at all. Anyways, it really makes me happy to see something like this happen. Like really, think about it. Most Cartoon Network shows now have a lot of content that's aimed more towards adults and teenagers. But despite that, a good amount of young kids are enjoying the shows too. It sounds dumb, but when you're a young kid, there's something really magical about seeing your favorite fictional things come to life. And I'm glad enough kids are still interested in Cartoon Network for them to open a hotel like this. Somewhere out there, some 4-year-old kid who's going to be ecstatic when he sees some guy in a gumball costume waving at him, and that makes me happy. This place will certainly be a cool family destination. I probably won't ever end up going to it, but it's nice to see that Cartoon Network has so much appeal. They already have a water park and cruise line too. I'm happy the love for cartoons isn't dying down at all. So what do you guys think of this new hotel? What sorts of shows would you like to see represented? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.